spend most of the time with him only. And apart from our friend Gupta sir. Gupta sir. These are some wonderful persons. And next coming to our department member, Mr. Masud Ali. Now he is a person having full of time. Now after we the senior persons retire, we don't have any fear that who is going to take charge of the physics department. It is very now
dedicated members are here in your college.
next coming to our Satyanarayana sir, the way he conducts the examinations, I am really impressed. The way you conduct examinations or any other events, the discipline that you maintain is really wonderful. Just coming to Adinarayana sir, his mere presence in the campus is maintaining discipline. All the students will be away from the campus as soon as they see Adinarayana sir. Here they are having wonderful personalities, sir. I am really privileged to be the part of this great institution, Government College. In Kannur, fondly, this college is referred as Furman. Furman. They don't say Government College, they say simply Furman. You are working in Furman. Next are my friend Somashekar sir. He is my well-wisher sir. He is my well-wisher. He has helped me a lot, sir. In here, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your cooperation, sir. Our another friend, sir, Madhusudan sir. He has taken right, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for coming to this function. We have been deputed to other institution. He has come for me only, sir. I am not taking other person's name means I am not missing them. I remember all of them, sir, but due to forgetfulness I may be forgetting their names. Next, our stalwart PD sir. Stalwart. He almost our entire data is with you, sir. He knows how much income tax we are paying. He knows what is our class salary.
He is the big data.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He is the big data.
Now, I'd like to thank Governor sir for having taken the responsibility of arranging lunch, etc. sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Now, Kamli Naik sir, one of my friends, sir, and Basha Modi. He was 1 year junior to me in SK University, and we had very wonderful time during that. I remember, sir. I remember. Our Ramu sir, our Dharmendra sir, they are all my good friends, sir. Nagara sir, sir, Roshana sir, all are my friends, sir. Now after coming to this college, I was having doubts whether I may be able to attend in this college or not. But within a couple of months, I was adjusted. All are my friends, all are my friends. Wonderful lady staff members also, sir. They are very dedicated in their work. They are very disciplined. I really feel proud to be part of your college. Thank you very much.
Remember them very late.
And these are the friends with whom I spend my rest of the time after college. These are the
Say
friends.
something about the student of this college. How do you find these students comparing to Usmania College students?
Because students there and here, they are almost
Same.
they are almost not much difference. There is no much difference in there. How they behave there, the same way they behave here. Now, these are my responses, and thank you, madam, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.